Because apparently Noodles doesn't want me talking. She doesn't want me talking. She keeps smacking me. Every time I talk, she... Really? And every time I talk, you're smacking me. Really? Really? You want me to shut up? Really? Really, Noodle? Really, Noodles? Noodle. Apparently, Noodles doesn't want me to talk because she keeps tapping my face and smacking me every time I'm talking. She keeps putting it directly on my mouth, like telling me to shut up. No, seriously, she does. I just finally decided to pick up my phone and catch part of it. I caught a little bit of it, not all of it. But I'm trying to get her to do it again, so I'm randomly talking till she does it. Do 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 do. You gonna do it again, Noodle? Down Noodles. Can't pet your paw. Can I pet your paw? Of course I can. Of course I can. Of course I can. What, you want me to stop talking? Well, do it again. Do what you just did. Do it again, Noodles. You gonna do it again? You gonna do it again, Noodles? No, you're just gonna get cold eyes and sleep just like that, apparently. I'm gonna try to get her to do it. But she's tired. She's still going through heat.
Let's see this. The Mayan pyramids,
Mm-hmm.
which they